Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 7 p.m.
7 p.m.
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
By the way, my name is Chi. Nice to meet you.
My name is Lin. Nice to meet you too.
So your name is Lin?
Right.
May I ask you some questions about your personal hobbies?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, of course. I like it very much.
Very much?
Yes,
Do you usually listen to music?
yes, I do. I do it very often.
Very often?
Yes,
When do you usually listen to music?
I usually listen to music when I feel sad.
When you feel sad?
Yes,
What time do you usually listen to music?
I usually listen to music at 10 p.m.
10 p.m.?
Yes,
How do you usually listen to music?
I usually listen to music on my laptop.
On the laptop?
Yes,
Who do you usually listen to music with?
I usually listen to music with my friend.
With your friend?
Yes,
Where do you usually listen to music?
I usually listen to music in my room.
In your room?
Yes,
How far is it from here to the room?
it's about 1 kilometer from here to my room.
About 1 kilometer?
Yes,
How often do you listen to music?
I listen to music every day.
Every day?
Yes,
How long does it take you to listen to music each day?
it takes me about 2 hours to listen to music each day.
About 2 hours?
Yes,
What kind of songs do you like best?
I like rap songs best.
Rap songs?
Yes,
Do you prefer English songs or Vietnamese songs?
I prefer Vietnamese songs.
Vietnamese songs?
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Ta ta.
Ta-ta.